Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me, I'm near the Burj Khalifa in Dubai and I moved out here 2 years ago. So yeah, today I want to talk about how to make money online in 2022. A lot of you guys are sick and tired of, either working a job or not having that dream lifestyle. So I want to talk to you today realistically on how to build yourself and how to make money online in 2022. So without any further ado, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and let's get on with it. And yeah, first things first that I would recommend is to work on your mindset. If you're trying to make money online in 2022, you want to have the right mindset to attract things. You want to visualize and see what it is that you want before you have it. For example, I remember having the Burj Khalifa, which is behind me, on my iPhone wallpaper before I moved here. That's how I visualized. So start visualizing. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. That's what I believe in. So work on the mindset. That's how you think right during hard times, and that's how you should think all the time. So yeah, with that being said, the mindset is very important. Now you have to figure out in which avenue you're going to make money online. There's so many ways. You could start a YouTube channel. You could become a forex trader, which I am. You could be a crypto trader. You could start drop shipping. You could start a business, a regular business. Now, how you make money online is by figuring out what skill or what passion that you have. What's your passion? Do you love making videos? Do you love, the finance side of things? So you might, get into crypto or forex. That's what you have to figure out. Hold up, did you know this video is sponsored by Bit.com? Bit.com is a crypto exchange platform and it allows you to buy and sell crypto. I love Bit.com and I personally use it, so I recommend joining Bit.com. The link will be down below. They offer good leverage and they have good security and liquidity, so check them out. The links will be down below and you'll see them more in my videos because I personally use it and I recommend it, so check it out. Links will be down below. So yeah, you need to figure out exactly how you're going to make money. There's so many ways to make money online in 2022, whether it's being a graphic designer, a developer. You can make apps for people and actually make a lot of money. And app developers are in so much demand right now that they get paid way too much for what they are worth these days. So maybe you could try that. Maybe you could sell someone an idea. People pay for ideas, provided it's a good idea. So there's so many ways, but you really have to start thinking and you need to write it down. I really believe anyone can make money online as long as you're willing to think right and do the right things. There's no reason that you can't make money online. I've seen people that are not the smartest that make the most online. If making money online was based on how smart you are, I think a lot of people would be broke these days. So that's clearly not the truth. It's about what you do and not who you are. So I'll give you guys a few ideas. You could reach out to someone on Instagram, Twitter, or any social media, and you can be like, hey, I can do your website, or I can edit a video for you, or I can design a thumbnail for you. If someone reached out to me saying they can design a thumbnail for me and it was a good thumbnail, I would pay them. That's how money works. You get paid for the value you bring. Remember, you get paid for the value you bring. So become more valuable. As you become more valuable and more skillful, you get paid more and more. So yeah, with that being said, here's what I recommend. How you can go from $0 to $100,000 in the first 2 years. 1 or 2 years. Number one, figure out a problem and start working on the solution. So go around your house, go around your apartment, go around your neighborhood and figure out a problem. Once you figure that problem out, start working on the solution. So once you start working on the solution, start figuring out ways you could build a brand around that solution. and that's how you get customers that will pay for your solution. The amount of people that could be making a lot of money by simply going in a room and thinking of problems and then working towards that solution, I think there would be a lot of millionaires if that was the case, but that's definitely not the case. A lot of people think making money online is something for special people, but it's not. Me being in Dubai right now, it was a dream, but now it's a reality. That's all it is. It's a dream that you're gonna make $1 million until it's not. It can be a reality, right? So start making it a reality. So yeah, figure out a problem and then work on the solution. Then that's how you make your first $100,000. Now, once you make your first $100,000, you can now start, investing that money, whether it's in Forex, foreign exchange, or crypto or stocks, whichever it is. Then that investment will take you from 100,000 to maybe 250,000, depending on how well you invest. And you just repeat the process and repeat the process. Now, what I recommend during your journey is to start reading books. I really believe you should start reading books or listening to audiobooks so that you can grow yourself as a person. The more you grow your mind, the more you grow your income. You need to grow your knowledge, right? You don't know what you don't know, right? So you need to start learning more so you can start doing more. Your income will not exceed your personal development. I'll repeat that. Your income will not exceed your personal development. So you need to develop yourself for your income to increase. And yeah, you need to grow as a person, read books, listen to audiobooks. Another important thing that I recommend is start working out. Go to the gym, build your body. Me personally, I realized every time I sweat in the gym, my brain starts to open up. I'm thinking more clearly, I'm more creative, and as I sweat more, I'm doing more. It's so weird. So start working out, start sweating, and trust me, as an entrepreneur, you're going to grow. Another tip that I have is build a workspace. If you have a bedroom, start designing that bedroom into an office. You need to have a good place to work in, right? You don't need all the fancy gears, but you just need a place where you can train yourself and build that habit to work in a specific room in your apartment or house. What do they say? They say it takes 21 days to build a habit and 90 days to build a lifestyle. So whether you're reading books, going to the gym, or starting a new habit, whatever it is, you need to do it for 90 days to make it a lifestyle. Now, what else do I recommend in 2022? I recommend you build your personal brand. If you build your personal brand, you build trust. Remember, people buy from people they trust and like. So you need to build your personal brand. You don't need to be dancing on TikTok to build a personal brand. You can just talk about who you are, document the journey. Like Gary Vee says, don't create, document. So start building your social media profile. Trust me, it will take you far. And a lot of people believe in law of attraction these days, but that's good. But you need to also believe in the law of action, right? The law of action, meaning you're attracting, but you're also doing what you want to attract. A lot of people just have that law of attraction mindset, but they don't have the law of action. Start taking action. And one more thing a lot of people don't talk about is the power of communication. Learning to speak well, being confident enough to speak in a gathering, right? Believe me, if you learn to communicate well, you're going to make a lot of money. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a lot. Make sure to smash the like button. This was just a random video that I thought of doing whilst I'm out here, walking around this area. But yeah, if you guys want more of these type of videos, comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.